If you have been crocheting even for a little while, you might have come across situations like this where your crochet circle is not a perfect round, but more like a hexagon. This is because of increase in every row following a certain repetitive patterns. This pattern is most commonly used one when crocheting this way. It is also the easiest to remember. And I'm not saying this is wrong, this is perfectly fine and it is used by almost everyone for their project when it comes in working in round. Besides, the hexagon shape will not be visible if you're crocheting it into a ball or toy. Even I have used this very pattern for both of these videos. But sometimes you can get into trouble when you want a perfect circle without the obvious edges like this one. Let's say you want a round coaster. So I have worked out a pattern to give a perfect circle. If you have already figured it out, it's amazing. Please feel free to share with all of us. If not, let's learn what I discovered together. This pattern works for me, and if you're facing the same issue, I hope this helps you too. The principle of increases is the same for both the circles. The only difference is where the increases are placed. That's the only difference. Okay, so I am going to start with 6 single crochet into the magic ring, and you can mark the end or the starting stitch of the round. In this video, I'm marking the end of the stitch, the last stitch, and then you just pull and close up the magic ring. Alright, now in round 2 we will be putting 2 double crochet. That is an increase into every stitch. We will increase in every stitch. Now I have marked my last stitch here and I'm ready to begin round 3. In round 3 we will put 1 single crochet and then an increase. That is 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase all around. You should end the row by putting 2 single crochet increase into the last stitch. So 2 single crochet and then mark the end of the stitch. Now round 4. Normally we would be putting 2 single crochet and then an increase. Right, that is the pattern, but in this case we are going to shift the increase. We are going to shift the increase, so we will increase it in the first stitch. 2 single crochet increase, and then we will put 1 single crochet, another single crochet, and then an increase. So we will put 2 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase all around, and you should end the row by putting 2 single crochet into the last 2 stitches. Not an increase but regular 2 single crochet. Okay, so I have completed round 4 and now I am ready to begin round 3. Normally we will be putting 3 single crochet and then an increase, but here in this round we will put 2 single crochet and then an increase. 2 single crochet in the first 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then we will increase in the third stitch, and then we will continue putting 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then an increase in the fourth, all around 3 single crochet, increase 3 single crochet, increase all around, and at the end of the round you will be putting 1 single crochet into this. I've completed round 5 and now I'm ready to begin round 6. In order to alternate the increasing stitch, we will start with an increase in the first stitch. So increase right here, and then we will put 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another increase. So instead of putting 4 single crochet and then an increase, we started with an increase first and then 4 single crochet, increase, 4 single crochet, increase all around, and you should end the round with 4 single crochet into the last 4 stitches. I will see you after the round is completed. I just completed row 6 and now I'm ready to begin row 7. But before I start, let me explain something so you will better understand what I mean by it. We will begin halfway with the number of stitches that's between increases. This means this row repeat should be 5 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then increase should happen here, then 5 single crochet, increase. So between this increase and this increase we have 5 stitches each. So half of 5 is 2.5. But since the stitches can't be in decimal, let's take 3 stitches. We're doing this just because we want the increases to be jumbled up. The increase from the last row is right here. These 2 stitches, these are the increases. So if we move 3 stitches forward, 1, 2, 3, our increase will be here on the fourth. So the increase here and the increase in this row, that will even out the circle and not give the edgy sides that we see on the other type of circles. So we will put 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then an increase. And after this increase we will repeat putting 5 single crochet and then increase, 5 single crochet, increase all around. You should end the round by putting 2 single crochet into the last 2 stitches, into these 2 stitches. Now this last 2 stitches and the first 3 stitches that we make makes 5 single crochet, so it all comes together. I hope this makes sense. If not, rewind and watch it again. I believe it will be clearer. Round 8. Round 8 is increase in the first stitch, 1, 2 single crochet, increase, and then we will put 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet, and then an increase again. So in this round we will put 6 single crochet, increase, 6 single crochet, increase all around. I just completed round 8 and till now you can see that it is coming out in perfect circle without any edges or obvious increases. So for round 9 it is like round 7. We will do 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing 4 single crochet instead of 7. We are that means we're taking almost half of 7, and then we will increase, and whatever the remaining half, the remaining 3 stitches will be made up at the end of the round. So we will put increase there, then we will put 7 single crochet and then increase, 7 single crochet increase, 7 single crochet increase all around, and at the end of the round you will be putting 3 single crochet stitches. So I've completed round 9. Continue this way for how big you want your round to be with the steps written over here. I hope you can make it out how to increase the steps. So obviously in the next step, if you need to go further, and the next round will be an increase in the first stitch and then 8 single crochet, increase 8 single crochet all around like that. So it is very easy to make it out. Once you start working on it, you'll understand better. So you can see here the not hexagon, of course this is the round that we had worked with the traditional increase method, and this is the one that I just created. Once you start working on it, you'll understand better. So I hope this video helps you out. I'll be making few projects in the near future using this technique, and of course I'll be sharing the process with you. So stick with me and I'll meet you in the next video with another pattern. Meanwhile, feel free to check out other popular videos you might like on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.